Okay guys, let's talk about monthly payment. So let's assume you're buying a brand new car, which is not too expensive, maybe $28,000. $28,000. Okay, $28,000. Now you don't have a money, obviously, so you go to the dealer and dealer say, oh, I have a 0% APR, right? I have a 0%, no interest, right? So but you have to pay it monthly. For how long? For 5 years. Okay. So how much you gonna pay? Those amount of money monthly you're gonna pay. 5 years. 5 times 12 is 60, isn't it? You're gonna divide by 60. Divide by 60. Each month you are paying $466.67. It makes sense actually, as you clearly see. So that is monthly payment. So seems like some kind of division is going on. If you know the total amount, right, and divide by number of payments, you can easily find the monthly amount. Okay. Now again, I want to open up here a little bit also. Let's say you have a $1,200. You borrow from someone. Now you don't have money, you borrow from someone. Now the person said, well, you have to pay him monthly in 1 year. Okay, so if you pay him monthly in 1 year, you can say, well, 100 1 month plus another 100 plus and so on and so on so on plus 100 until it gets balance 0. So seems like you are actually paying 12 times 100. That would be $1,200. Okay, or you can just divide 1,200 by 12. That would also give you 100 each month. I hope it makes sense to you, right? So this is called monthly payment. So if you know your total amount, that's the total amount, and that is your n number of payments. Okay, and you can find your monthly payment by using this m as a monthly payment. So actually let's work it out. Actually, how can we introduce a formula for monthly payment? Okay, so remember, if you know I is equal to phi RT, right? This is a simple interest formula. And also there is another formula, amount is equal to phi plus interest, okay? Principal plus interest. Now I can actually substitute this whole thing into this one. Why? Because it's I equal to. So this is going to be phi plus PRT. Look what I did here. I want to make sure you understand. That is replaced by that, as you clearly see. So I can actually solve or take a factor of phi 1 plus RT. I can actually do that. This is the total amount I can find out. Future amount actually I can find out here. So that is the total amount. Once you know the total amount, right, you can just divide by the monthly payment, okay, number of payments. So what can I do? I can actually do, well, my monthly payment, MONTHLY, monthly payment, which is M. I can say M is equal to, I can just put down P open parenthesis 1 plus RT over N. This N is number of payments. Like if it is 5 years, 5 times 12 is 60 payments. So I can just use this formula to find my monthly payment. Let's take a look at an example here. Okay, so what is given actually? Okay, so what is given on this situation or scenario down here, right? So let's take a look here. That is my fee, looks like. That's my fee, including the sales tax. So by the way, there is no sales tax. It's included actually, or sales tax. I shouldn't say no sales tax. You don't have to pay it, but it's inside there, right? Decide to pay it for installment over 3 years. Here you go. So that is my T is 3 years. It tells you there is a 15% interest rate each monthly payment. So, well, I can just plug this in here. So everything I know, actually, let's note it down here, what I know so far. I know the fee is equal to $13.99. I know the T is 3 years. I know the rate, which is 15%. And all I gotta do, I just plug this into the formula, okay? I just plug this into formula. So my monthly payment M is equal to P open parentheses 1 plus RT over N. So let's take a look. Can we plug this in? So if I put down fee, which is $13.99, open parenthesis 1 plus R in this case is 15%, and of course times T in this case is 3 years over the N is 3 times 12. I can say 3 times 12, or you know what, I can just say 36. Either way it is fine. 36. Okay, once I have this right, I can just plug things into calculator actually. So well, if I use this, is going to be very handy actually. Okay, so and over the same thing, $13.99 open parentheses 1 plus 15% times 3 years close parentheses over, that would give me total amount. Bottom is going to be number of payment. So you can say, you know what, it was 3, oh sorry, let's do this. It was 3 times 12. Even you can just type it like this, okay, and enter. Of course, obviously, as you see, is fraction. So we do this $56.34. $56.34. So is approximately 50. Let's write it down. I think I have to write down on the bottom here. Sorry about that. One on the edge comes up. It's happen like that. So my M is equal to, okay, so my M is equal to approximately 56.34861 and so on. But again, what do you got to do? We round to the hundreds. So we cross this up, we put 1 here. So it should give me M approximately $56.35 is a monthly payment each month you have to pay. Alright guys, so this is how we deal with monthly payment, as you clearly see. So I hope you understand, and you can try any other way, still it should work. Thank you.